Good morning. I'm in Bath. So yesterday I arrived in the morning pretty early. I left London, took a train here, got checked into my hostel here and did some exploring. So I didn't want to film anything yesterday because I really wanted to be in the moment and really be immersed in my environment. So it is a nice crisp morning here. It's 55 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. No, it's probably 50. I'm going to the grocery store, see if I can get some breakfast. I'm excited to do some exploring today and do some filming and taking some pictures and all that kind of good stuff. I am on my way to the Roman baths, which is probably the most popular tourist attraction here. It's actually where the Romans would bathe. People would travel from all over to come and visit the baths. To the grocery store, which was kind of chaotic, but I love grocery shopping. Another interesting thing is I love how they have so much plant-based stuff here. A lot of the options, you don't even realize you're looking at it, and it's plant-based, and it is the same price or cheaper than all of the animal products, which I think is interesting. But I'm going to have a picnic. I have my little charcuterie set up, sort of. I'm going to go over to the Royal Crescent, which is basically the most famous building structure in Bath. It's a marvel, so I'm excited to kind of picnic and have my dinner there. I'm gonna be honest, if somebody was I'll give you $1,000 if you tell me which way you're supposed to look before you cross the road in the United Kingdom, I would have $0 because I don't know any time. Okay, I'm at the circus. That's number 6. This apartment in the circus is number 7. Our walking tour told us yesterday that the Nicolas Cage used to live there, but he took the number off because he didn't want people knowing where he lived. But it's the door between number 6 and number 8, so it still has no number though. Good morning. It is the day that I am going to Stonehenge. I am thrilled for this opportunity. I will be getting on a train and then getting on a bus and then going out to the Stones and some other places. So stay tuned. If I'm correct, I think it's going to one of the mounds on the outskirts of the Stonehenge construction. It's like an old burial site. There's a bunch of mounds that surround the actual Stonehenge. This area is so sick. But I'm gonna go and see what I can find and get a little lost. Good morning. It is my last full day in Bath. I am kind of dressed up. I just wanted to go explore. Anyway, so it's my last full day and I'm going to find breakfast right now. It's like, I really want to go explore and get some more content and just kind of soak in my last few hours here and just enjoy it. Okay, so since no one's in here, I figured I would give you guys a tour of the hostel that I'm staying in. I am staying at the Bath Backpackers Hostel, and to be honest, it is a lot nicer than the hostel I stayed at in London. So there's security lockers there. They might provide locks, but I just suggest bringing your own lock. I'm glad I did. I got one last minute, so I've just been able to pop that on there and lock up my valuables. So I'm staying in a mixed dorm, I think, one, but they did assign me a bed. What I like about this, well, first of all, they gave me the corner bunk, which is like super convenient and like kind of hidden. This is, everybody has their own little charging area, which is not true in every hostel. So that's convenient. Lighting is kind of weird, but what I've been doing is, my mom got me this and I was like, when am I gonna use this? But literally what is this? A headlamp. Like, so it's like its own little lamp and you can read or, you know, work on stuff or whatever. Boom. It's your own little area. And that is perfect because the lighting is kind of sus in some places. So it's convenient to have your own lamp. I know that's weird, but would recommend. I finally have my glasses on and it's warm enough to wear a dress, so I can be a hot and mysterious European traveler. Alright everyone, so it's my last evening in Bath and I'll go ahead and do the outro for this video. It has been just a delightful time here and I can't even process and like think about all the wonderful things I've seen and done since being here. But anyway, as always, thank you for traveling with Lola. Cheers.